Hello. In this video, let's have a look at a new productivity application for Autodesk Inventor called Fast Insert. This application keeps track of your recent files, of your actively open files, and provides quick access to them. Just one click and you can insert a file inside the modeling space. It works in assembly, it works in the part environment, and in the drawing environment as well. However, in the part environment, it will derive from the part. For example, let's derive from this drum flange and import the sketch for holes. Select the imported holes and cut the holes using that sketch. This is a very nice way of linking parts. Let's check if the holes match. They do. This app also lets you open any of the selected part. Now let's add the new drawing view using Fast Insert. Let's select the part and it will recognize that this is a drawing environment and create a drawing view. Let's add a new sheet and add our drum. We can also open the file location. We can copy the file if needed and paste it. This application tracks up to the 50 files, so your history will be preserved. I hope you enjoy application. See you. Bye bye.